My brother Katz ne muchala we Caroline Maka Caroline kayingiza we motoke pya Kawundo.
Muchala we.
Yes. Yes.
Kali bachogedde.
Muchala we nze ndi munamawulire ngo. Sije chinsasuza. But the thing is on social media for some reason wabadde attacking Caroline Maka anti yabye sente za Katsi zakola show King of Mighty naagula motoka. And for some reason in Bukatsa in a conversation where anyumya naye na mugama Katsi akarana pa uyanzi baka sente naagula iPhone katero byonna bibadde around. We got them on set ne batunyonyola waliwo anyize nti ono si ya making na mwansanga wendi temumpi kwegamba. We had that conversation kasoka tujifune bwe tudda I'm still the B2Cs tongero okulaba ku concert ne ndongo bwe imili does it stands so
I personally don't have a problem with MC cuts. Owanina benda mukolera oba tulina bye twakola it's okay. Buli omu atwale kyatwala. Waliwo ayagambye Katsi ya making ze change teri yali amanyi gwe wakolako nange wansangawo bano bona bansangawo balinga bakifeesi Katsi yansanga already ni TV presenter yansanga nembuga. So for now what I can
the problem
say
here
omuntu waba ina obuzibu nange nze ngamba nombenga tatekamu bulamu bw'abantu balala. They shouldn't put my family in this nonsense. They shouldn't put my son in this nonsense. I have a reason Rachi nalekera okola entertainment gossip nine ensonga zange nadamu music shows for a reason.
Yebabya amazima genyini yalowooza mbu bino ebintu mwe mwagala mulumba mwe media mwenyini mwegase ate mwaba mulumba ate abadde alowooza muli bakyalibe. So basically it doesn't really make sense. Mwakalo talina kibi kye yankola sina nnyo kibi kye namukola nyinza okuba siri perfect nga nabye namukola ebi
wanakubba nengula iPhone
kalo abadde ne iPhone oba kati okumala emyaka 3
nentwala nesente z'ekivulo nengula Kawundo
lwakubanga mwayiga okulya buno obusente buno abaana bwe babawa mitwalo 2 egyo ze babawa egyo nze ba bloggers batandise okunkubira nga bagamba I pull out my story mwe mwankubira nga mubiwandiika. Karo alina family, alina abamuzaala, alina baganda be. Ono omukazi asula akola, asiiba akola, asula akola. Emmotoka ye mwemanyi yagijja. Kawundo egulibwako essaawa zino. Genda mu bond Kawundo essaawa zino million 7. I'm not even putting it on a particular TV or blogger. These were stories on like 6 different bloggers. These young boys in Makerere abakasukuna internet abalowooza what can we do, what can we type, because we saw one person doing a headline of a story and I'm gonna double cross it and redo it, do a remix to it. You know the problem the journalists in Uganda is the Chembala because nakolako blogging red paper as a black journalist. I don't tell my stories in Buzazi one this. But the problem with these kids, they are right now seated home, bakera kumacha ku desk, ne babasaba stories, nga tebalina kyakwogera. They have no information. So now anonya which bloggers typed what. Nachikwata ye nakola ki? Making in favorable of views. Big brands, queen of the mic, king of the mic, I know they will make noise. So it's psychological that I'll want to tag with them. Anybody sees that title is gonna read your nganzi banzibira ki lwaki aba akola nga mubbi kyeki bakimukozesa nga mubbi ababbi bakola ababbi babeerawo okubba.
Okay, there you go. Tubadde on B2C. Obadde ogamba Caroline Maka has done what? relationship and cats change.
I think they are doing good.
He has made cats better, man.
They're fine. Cats. I feel they're okay.
Yeah, there's something about the value she's adding to cats. Cats is a controversial guy. He's a sweet boy. He's a sweet guy. Naye womusanganga tali ku stede ye akugira, so I think this girl has made the come out of him.
Banga lempulide ku cats ngagera ku karo. Amustatinganga chaliwe amubereddewo amushepinze amukozechi. I think they deserve a better life ngabo ulira bogera ne bava mu kintu kyo bwe babanga baba wairize ebintu byebogera biki nota ba omuntu avayo bikogera kintu bwe.
But you see the thing about media, because if you position yourself as a center for camera, you're not going to be big. So and this is also a problem to cats.
Naye nekidala nze kyentesa mubateke mu mbeera ya mogera ne ku birungi.
No, we talk actually. Cats we've talked. Some of the stories it's hard for me to do nayo sanga you know jikola. I've always told iconically ndoza tetunafuna muntu mumulembe gwaffe with brave like as brave as cats and no muchalo yo Caroline Maka, I don't know why people don't see it. Na yet Caroline Maka checho chenkugami chopa mbade nyakalo cha amplifying ogami nti Caroline Maka has molded cats to a better man. It is a credit because cats, everybody knows the value nagamba. I'm positive. Caroline Maka, whatever chakolera cats, whatever intention it is.
Tuinamuagira nnyo.
Bwakoze so kwimya kubanga bomunira naye buli mwage nagamba cats we amuna bikamwe vurunga. And you know, so obuvumu bwakoze so okufeelinga at ease with whatever you speak. I think she deserves credit.
Yeah. That's why even
she's a bold girl.
That's why even the media shouldn't go too hard.
Meanwhile, kubantu abo, I think it's not because tetuma ngabe gambi Carol tulabya betalinze cats nga chaliwe. So ekintu ekyo tukiwagira.
Na yamu betalinzo.
Nga chali. Yes. Ekitegeeza nti abantu abo ate tubetaaga. You know, cats is one of the best. Uchimanyi because inspiring abantu banji, you know.
One of a million.
Kakati we need him as an industry. So abalala bonna bamawulire n'ebiringa ebyo tugezeeko nnyo olaba tubateekamu.
We protect them.
Yeah, we protect them. Yeah.
There you go. Okay, a B2C as we come almost to the climax of the show. So what kind of industry are you what is it you think should come with?
First, we want an institution. Yeah, we want with or without us ngekyasobola okutambula. Kubanga tekijja kutunyumira nnyo ffe kutwogerako in the history of books ng'abaana baffe bali mu kubonaabona.